Hey everyone, believe it or not, we are headed into the third quarter of 2024, second half of the year, and we wanted to kick it off with a good old-fashioned Money Matters video. But before we get into that, hey, we just first wanted to say thank you to everyone who came out for our second annual Shred event. I think it was a huge success. I'd say over 40 of those big totes were absolutely filled up, pulverized, and are no more. But hey, our community matters to us, and we are just excited to be able to provide that service where we can take something simple like shredding documents off of people's shoulders. So with that, hey, we'll continue with the Money Matters video. We bring these to you because we want you to be informed, and your money matters, and you matter to us.
Absolutely, John. So it's very important within topical things going on in the world, we bring it back home and send it to you in real time as, hey, John, did you know, as money does matter to everyone, we're happen to be at an all-time high right now in the S&P 500.
Let's go. Hey, you know, Curtis, I think that all-time highs, though, can freak people out.
Absolutely.
Right?
Yes.
So, you know what they say, what goes up
must come down
No.
or keep going.
Yes.
It
could keep going, right?
Right.
And it sounds counterintuitive, but hey, look at this chart. We're showing that 30% of the time, all-time market highs serve as a market floor. And real quick, hey, we're going to define a market floor as the market never goes below 5% of that previous all-time high. But that's almost a third of the time, that all-time high, you never see that price again in the market.
Right, which is unbelievable.
Yeah, it's staggering. So what goes up can go higher. And the other thing would be, you know, hey, is this a good time to invest? And now you see a chart that's showing actually on a 3-month, 6-month, 1, 2, 3 year, right? You can invest at any time, or you can invest at an all-time high. And actually the all-time high has a better historical rate of return.
Which, hey, to the masses and what we assume goes on, if we were to keystroke Google something, that's the opposite of what we would expect to find. Mm-hmm. And it's just great to hear us say all this, we hope, to calm some fears. We know anxiety and fear are real in today's environment, especially as investors with your hard-earned dollars. We want to make sure we're educating you at all times, whether with Money Matters or with financial planning or with just having conversations. But this was real. This is something that's very applicable today that folks are fearful of. Mm-hmm. What do I do when times are as good as they've ever been? I assume we do something. No, and the contrary, just stay the course.
Yeah, I think it's important to always be diversified, to be balanced, right? So instead of buy low, sell high, it's not, timing the market, it's time in the market, as Buffett and Munger have said so many times.
Which, hey, heads up, you'll see or hear plenty of those quotes from us as you tune in.
Yeah, for sure. Hey, real quick, what's coming up next? We are excited about our annual Client Invitational Golf event coming up Thursday, September 12th. It's going to be at Sycamore Springs Golf Course. It's always a lot of fun. Again, we love connecting with our community.
Yeah, we're excited for everyone to really see John and I rolling up on the golf cart and say, John, are you ready to tee this one up? And smile and nod at me and say, better luck next time, Curtis. So with that, hey, thanks for tuning in. We appreciate you. If you have very specific questions from any of this data, please reach out. We'd love to hold a meeting with you, whether digital, in person, or over the telephone, as we want to provide you some peace amidst your money. Again, thank you very much, and we look forward to seeing you next time.
See ya.